and making it fabulous, and we're finishing the rest of my house. So sit back, relax, have a cup of delicious hot cocoa, light your favorite Bath & Body Works candle, and watch as the Christmas magic begins.
Where is he? Where is he?
Where'd he go?
You were really close to him. Where'd he go? Oh, Elfie.
Robby.
Daddy seems to find him. Ah! I found him! He's got some stuff for you. Some arts and crafts.
He's out of quarantine. He's slowly coming out. Now, don't touch him.
Can't touch him. He'll lose his magic, but you can touch his presents.
That's perfect.
Wow, guys, what are you doing? Robby, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing, Rob? Here, let's put that over here.
Oh, let's turn it around so we can see.
Rob. Come over here. I'll show you the way to put it, and you can put it down.
Wow, good teamwork, guys. Santa stop here for cookies and milk.
Yep.
And to drop off presents.
Push that down. Go ahead. Good job. Perfect.
Cute. Good job, Robby.
Big help.
You're such a good helper. You excited for Christmas? You got, yeah, we got more.
All right, now.
Candy cane lane.
Let's see.
Yay. So since Rob and Robby are outside putting up Christmas lights, I thought I'd be productive in here and put up our garland for the steps. So what I got for it is I got some beautiful Christmas balls in Costco. I got the 21-inch deco mesh. And then since I use a Christmas tree working wire for my steps, because it's Christmas time, so I wanted to do a little Christmassy, I actually found, instead of the regular pipe cleaners, I found these in the dollar store. How cool are they? I kind of love them. I never had those before, but I feel like they're gonna work fabulous. So actually gonna start by putting the garland on the staircase first. And then I'm gonna add the deco mesh and the Christmas balls because I wanna put it up, I wanna fluff it, and I wanna see the areas that need some work. Okay, so I got the garland attached to the staircase. And now I'm going to throw the mesh. But instead of throwing it like I usually do, I'm just gonna roll it down the stairs. See? I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, so next time you do it, be careful it just doesn't hit your Christmas tree. Okay, so I had these two huge, actually I have 4 of them, but I had these 2 huge candy canes. I didn't know what I was gonna do with them, but I bought them because I love them, and I just put them at the bottom of my staircase. I'm gonna wrap a bow around them, but I just wanted to show you the twist and poof. Look how pretty it looks. It's getting there. We gotta add more stuff to it. But all I did was I secured these candy canes with a pipe cleaner. And it kind of blends in with the zhuzhing on the candy cane, so it's like perfect. I love that, so pretty. And I just put the bow on the candy canes. Oh my God, I love it, so beautiful. Next, I'm going to put the Costco balls on the garland. And yes, I have a naked Christmas tree here. And bags still all over the place because it takes multiple days to do this house. It's a lot of work, but you will be seeing the tree trimming later in the video. So I just finished attaching the ornaments on the garland. did put 2. Remember I said I had 4 candy canes? So I put the other 2 in the tree. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna use them in there yet, but when in doubt, stick them in the tree. We don't have hay. It's not hay season, it's tree season. So stick them in the tree. In the tree.
Okay, I'm done with the stairs. How do you like it?
Presents underneath the tree? Wow. And you and Daddy did this big tree. I can't wait to see it lit. Wow, good. Wow, you guys are being busy elves, getting ready for Santa.
Here, bud, put them on the tree. Come over here, babe. Come on, let's go. Put them on here.
Hope those still work.
I'm going to put my candy cane deco mesh garland, look, my ears match, in the Christmas tree. Now, just a little tip, everybody, don't overuse the deco mesh. Don't put the deco mesh throughout your whole Christmas tree, because then there's not going to be any room for ornaments. Tip, don't overuse the mesh. And if it's your first year using the deco mesh garland because you saw my previous Christmas tree video, give me a shout out. Shout me out on Instagram or write a comment. I would love to know how I inspired you this holiday season. Because it's crazy. Okay, so the command strips did not hold up the garland. Way too heavy. Oops. So Rob had to screw screws in the wall. And it worked. He's a magician. That's why we need Rob on call for the garlands. It is what it is. So I'm not adding anything else to this garland because it is so big and full. I thought I needed more stuff until I hung it up, and I feel like it's perfect. So I'm just adding these little Grinch heads. And I couldn't find ornaments, so I got headbands and I'm sticking them in. So I just put one in here, and then I'm going to put one on the other side of the sign. It's family ornament time, so now Robby and Rob are going to come in and we're going to trim the tree with our family ornaments. Enjoy! So Robby's Alfie bought him some of his own ornaments to put on the Christmas tree, some Toy Story ornaments, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. Right, Robby? Okay, let's put them on the tree. So this is a special
ornament. This is Robby's first Christmas ornament, Mickey 2017. And what's really special about this is that I kept my hospital bracelet, Robby's hospital bracelet, and my husband's hospital bracelet when he was born, and I attached it on his ornament. So we have a keepsake of it every year. And this is it. He's going on the tree. So I wanted to point out this ornament because this ornament is really special. My mom actually handmade this ornament for her and my father's first Christmas. I feel like it's like almost like 50 years old. So this is a little keepsake we put on our tree. And these are my two baby ornaments from when I was a little girl. I'm not telling you the year of them. I'm not doing it.
Candy canes here. These are my grandmother's. And they were passed down to my mother and now to me. And I have about 6 of them. And we're very careful with these.
videos of me decorating my home. I hope I gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to tune in next week because there's more Christmas magic coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much, everybody. And also, let me know what was your favorite ornament I put on my Christmas tree. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.